Hey there, mga my love spices! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babe. So before we get your messages, from your angels and guides right here, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome tuloy po kayo rito. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support ang binibigay niyo po sa akin. So if you are interested na tumambay din with my other channel, ang link is down sa ating description box. So, yun nga na wala tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can play first if you want. Of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will and you're free to use that. So, yun yung mga babes, no? Alamin na natin rito, Pisces. Ano ba yung mga mensaheng dapat mo malaman? Spirits and Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for my Piscean people. Can you please show me messages for Pisces, please? What's heading their way? What do we have here for Pisces? This is for my Pisces people. Pisces. I heard the word bogus. So whatever the case may be, someone here might be trying to fool you. Pwedeng linlangin kayo, no? Pero yun ay isang malaking bogus. So, don't fall for it, no? Lalo na kung ito may kinalaman sa money, no? I saw a coin. So, pwedeng ito may kinalaman sa money, no? Bago kayo mag-invest agad, gather a lot of information before diving into that type of investment, lalo kung malaking money yan, na make sure that is legal and authentic, okay? So, gather enough documents or proofs, no, bago kayo mag-invest. Related ito sa money, more likely. Okay? So, just take how this resonates, no? Yung isa yung pinakaayaw kong naririnig, yung bogus. Kasi when you say bogus, it's like, you got trick, diba? So, let's see, what do we have here for my Piscean people? At sino ba naman yung gustong mabogus, diba? Wali naman. So, let's see. What else do we have here for my Pisces people? You do have here, this ilatag naman natin lahat. 10 of Wands energy. 10 of Broomsticks. 2 of Wands energy. Queen of Wands. Queen of Swords. 7 of Coins, yes. Page of Swords. 5 of Cups. 8 of Wands. Knight of Wands. Yeah. I'm hearing that song. You know that song? Quit playing games with my heart. Yan, no? Quit playing games, no? Backstreet Boys. So, pwedeng idol nyo yan, no? Or yung banda na yan. Sino ba namang hindi may in love sa mga magaganda at napaka-pogi, no? Na boy band na yan, no? So, maaaring kayo ay fan ng Backstreet Boys. Pero let's focus to that particular lyric, no? Quit playing games with my heart. Because you will receive here with the Eight of Wands energy a message that will surprise you. Kasi kung sino to matagal tong hindi nag-communicate sa inyo, and this person here could had played games with your heart before Pisces, and this person will pop out, no, na parang bigla siya rito magme-message, mag-chat, magte-text, pwedeng tatawag sa'yo, no? And you remember his or her voice. Paano mo makakalimutan yung boses ng tao na yan if that's a phone call, diba? This person here played games with you and it's like this is you with that quit playing games. You do not want to be played anymore, no? Ayaw mo na, no, to get played ulit, no? And this is you, pwedeng marinig mo yung familiar na boses kasi kilala mo siya, no, natatandaan mo siya, no, at kung ito man ay mensahe, no, posibleng nilagay niya yung pangalan niya ron, no, or naramdaman mo na agad kung ano yung pinupunto niya, no, sa nilalaman ng kanyang text message or chat message sa'yo, no. So, pwedeng na-ex mo yan, no, or pwede rin namang hindi naging kayo, no, pero nagbabalik siya rito, no, upang hikayatin kayo, no, dito. So, this is someone here na player pa rin siya, no, na type of energy up until now. Ay, Siguro may napaganon, ay, yan 'no. So, puwedeng siya rin yung bogus dito para sa iba sa inyo, puwedeng love life yan 'no, bogus pala 'tong person na 'to. So, maliban diyan, nakikita ko rin dito mga babes 'no, na mukhang unti-unti mo na ritong nararating na paunti-unti 'no, ang iyo ritong mga plano ay natutupad lalo 'pag may pagdating sa pera 'no, coins, money, pentacles. So, may mga plano ka rito na magiging pabor ang mga sitwasyon ng mga susunod na pangyayari 'no, sa iyong mga target na plans, goals 'no, lalo na may kinalaman sa iyong kaperahan or money, which is great 'no. You will receive here a lot of signs that everything right here is in order or, nagiging organized rito 'no. So, I think it is more likely related to your finances. So, maybe something here will happen good. Might be good news sa work mo, 'no? Might be good news sa iyong negosyo, 'no? Something here is about to happen and you will feel na parang ito na yung hinihintay ko, unti-unti ko nang nababago yung sitwasyon ko, unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng progreso, improvement sa aking pera, 'no, sa aking money, 'no? So, you are attracting here money, wealth, 'di ba? Wow! So aside from that, I'm seeing you right here making a decision to cut someone in your life, no? And this is someone here na hindi mo maka yung ties mo sa kanya. Especially, I think this is a family member or a relative no, na hindi mo naman pwedeng hindi na siya maging kamag-anak ever. No? Hindi mo naman pwedeng hindi siya maging kapamilya ever kung kapamilya mo ito, no, by blood. Pero nakikita ko na ganun yun, no? So, I think you will cut this person here out of your life by means of not paying attention sa mga sasabihin niya. Kasi I think kahit kapamilya mo ito or relative mo 'to, I think this is also one of your number one bashers, 'no? Maybe this person here dislikes you kasi you're moving forward with your life, 'no? Maybe there's someone here could be envious or inggit, 'no, sa'yo in some way, 'no? So I'm seeing you not paying attention with this person here because this person here is draining your energy. But you will stay in family with this person here kasi magkadugo kayo. Yan. For a lot of you, this is a family member who is envious or jealous of what you are achieving in your life. Yeah. But you cannot just cut this person off. So you will just ignore this person. That's what you're gonna do. Sa pamagitan ba nun, miss yan, pag-cut na rin ba yung tawag dun? Yes. Okay? As if naman you can cut the blood. 'Di ba, you cannot do that, no? When we say cutting, it's just that okay na yun, basta you do not pay attention to negative energies. So, ano man yung sabihin niya sa'yo rito, no? It's like may harang na rito. Yung parang ganito na parang, kunyari sinasabi niya sa'yo rito, ay nako, hindi ka yung the best, hindi ka magaling, no? This is yun na parang may hinarang ka na rito malaking wall na parang wala ka narinig. Ba, 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 ba. Parang ganun ka na, wala akong naririnig, wala akong naririnig, no? It's like, parang gano'n, may nakaharang na gano'n 'no, parang may sinasabi man sila against you, you're not paying attention because you are more paying attention sa kung anong ginagawa mo ngayon 'no. It's like you're creating here boundaries na, "Okay, we're family, okay, we're relatives, period. Pero lahat ng sasabihin mo, it will not affect me." Bongga, I like your energy, para ka si Amor Powers na, Amor Powers na yes, 'di ba? So, from Pangako Sa'yo. Sa mga nakapanood nun, 'yan 'no. So, I'm saying that another message from here 'no is that with this Two of Wands energy and there's the Seven of Pentacles, I do see that this is you. May situation dito na mararamdaman mong nananalo ka or nararamdaman mong mananalo ka. So, hindi ko alam kung sasali ka ba dito ng raffle, sasali ka ng contest, or i-include mo yun, nominate mo yung sarili mo rito, no, for a promotion or running for promotion kind of thing. Pero parang there's a lot of determination coming from your energy, no? Pagbubutihan ko pa 'to. Kasi alam kong akin 'to, eh. Alam kong para sa akin 'to, eh. So, yung iba may kinalaman 'to sa negosyo or kaperahan mo, pero yung iba posibleng love life din yun. Alam kong para sa akin siya. So, I'm gonna pursue this lady. I'm gonna pursue this man. Because I know that this person is mine. Wow! for some instance, nakikita ko na posibleng hindi rin yun kayo. Puwedeng meron ditong energy na very determined, 'no, very confident, 'no, na ikaw yung person niya and ikaw yung gusto niya ritong maging person. So, definitely, this person will eventually do everything, anything that he or she can, 'no, para maging kanya ka. 'Yan, 'no. So, whoever this individual is, I think you need to prepare because this person here will definitely make sunod-sunod na mga movements, 'no, or mga gestures showing how affectionate siya sa'yo and how in love siya sa'yo. For others of you, this person here is already your boyfriend, girlfriend, or someone na husband or wife mo na. Kung sino man yan, this person here will continue to love you and will continue to show you that her love for you and, her efforts, her time, his time, lahat yun no, isi-share niya sa'yo dito because you are so special. And that you are the person that he or she loves the most. Wow! I like it, Pisces, ha? And also, nakita ko rito, no, na mukhang I don't know if you are having a social media platform. You might be owning a TikTok account. You could be doing something social media. People finds you very attractive. Or meron ditong energy na parang you are attracted to that. Pwedeng social media influencer or meron siya ritong social media platforms, 'no, and for some reason you are attracted to that person. Parang idol mo siya or parang iniidolo mo siya and then parang ikaw 'to na hinahangaan mo siya rito na parang gusto mo maging kagaya niya. I'm getting that you are telling a lot of compliments with this person. This person is so kind, so cheerful. How this person here can manage to be maganda or gwapo na ta's ang bait niya pa, how to be this person ba, ayan 'no. And you are someone here na hindi mo naman sa iba sa inyo, hindi mo naman siya as in gusto talagang ligawan rito. You admire this. You just admire this person here. Inspired ka. And parang naging part na siya ng daily life mo. Maybe you're always viewing this person's profile. Maybe you're always tracking this person's updates or status. You're just happy. Giving your energy with this individual. Could be a social media star. Okay? But doesn't have to be. So, yun yung nakita ko dito for you, Pisces. And aside from that, I'm picking up that you will be quiet here about something. You will be hearing a problem coming from a friend or someone you know or a coworker, but you will be quiet about something here. Or you're just having here less talk. Maaaring ikaw lang yung tipo ng energy na mas makikinig, no? So, I think you will be there for that friend of yours na may pinagdadaanan or may pagdadaanan pa lang. I'm picking up that you are also someone here na maaasahan, pwedeng mapag-usapan, pwedeng mapagkwentuhan rito ng mga problema, no? And being with you, okay, this person is telling me na okay na. So, posibleng okay lang, parang kahit hindi ikaw yung madaldal na tipo ng individual, okay lang. Your presence really touches this person here. Okay na ako, nakikinig lang si Pisces sa akin. Alam ko naiintindihan ako ni Pisces, no? So, maybe this person of yours, this friend of yours, or maybe person mo ito, no, nag-open up sa'yo rito, na just by feeling your presence, parang may kaagapay or kasama na rin siya. Okay? Parang na-lessen yung burden kapag nasi-share niya yun sa'yo. Or kung magsalita ka man dito, no, like konti lang pero very meaningful. Sobrang nakatulong na dun sa namomroblema, no, whoever that individual is. And I'm seeing you right here, dropping here, burden. Yung iba, mababayaran nyo na rito yung long time debt or pagkakautang or loan dito. Doesn't have to be that it's yours, pero yung iba, yes. Pero yung iba, pwedeng ito yung debt ng mom mo or ng dad mo, no, to other person. Okay? So, just take how this resonates, no. Mababayaran na yung pagkakautang or yung loan or whatever. I'm seeing na isa yun sa mga mababawas na pasanin sa iyong life. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, Pisces. Don't forget to check out other channel. The link is down below sa ating description box. And muli ako po si Yan, ang inyong medium. Thank you so much and Sarang Hayo, Love and Light. 안녕.